Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup thick. First, consider your desired texture. A roux made from fat and flour provides a creamy, opaque finish. For a lighter, clearer soup, a cornstarch slurry works wonders. Alternatively, blending a portion of your cooked vegetables directly into the pot offers a wholesome, natural thickness. Each method brings a unique character to your delicious soup. To make a roux, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or oil, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour. Cook this mixture for 1 to 2 minutes until it's a light golden color, then slowly whisk in your hot liquid. For a cornstarch slurry, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water, then slowly stir it into your simmering soup. Always add thickeners gradually to avoid lumps. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these tips on making your soup perfectly thick, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, if you're making a big batch of that delicious, thick soup, you'll need a way to store it. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your creations fresh. Find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Another excellent way to thicken soup is by pureeing some of its cooked ingredients. Simply remove about 1/4 of the vegetables, blend them until smooth, and return them to the pot. You can also stir in mashed potatoes or even a slice of bread for a rustic, hearty consistency. For a more intense flavor and thicker broth, simply simmer your soup uncovered to reduce the liquid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.